Short. All right, guys, y'all about to hear me vent for a minute. Okay, I'm getting ready to install this. I don't know if y'all can see that transfer case. Well, I got it up here, guys. I was closing it up, got all the bolts lined up. It still wouldn't close. Thought I was fighting with the spline, but guess what? In fact, I was fighting with. Okay, now on here, there's two dials, right? One right here, one right here, just to make sure you're lined up properly. Okay, trying to bolt this Reman transfer case up. Look what I found. Yeah, so the Reman plant, this one is open. The Reman plant just dropped the ball on that, and what's weird, there's no other side to it. Okay, right here, there's no other side, so I'm screwed. I'm not about to try to drill that out. So what I'm gonna do is just shear cut this and just make it flush. Vice grip out, or I'm just gonna cut it out. One way or another, this transfer case is going on this car. We're gonna discuss this transfer case issue that broke off the dowel pin, guys. The dowel pin broke off. I guess the Reman company sent us a transfer case with a broken dowel pin. All right, now let me show y'all, or let me clarify something, guys. I did not do what I said I was gonna do in the video. That was frustration talking. Okay, I was upset and I was pissed because it took me too long. It took me too much time to figure out that this was the case. All right, here's the drill I'm gonna use. What I'm gonna do is go behind it and drill. Now, based on this other side, guys, look at this. I don't have far to go, right? Okay, yes, very little room I need. All right, so all I need now is an angle to get to that point. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take a drill punch and at least get the hole started with a punch, and from there I'm just gonna drill from the backside. Like I say, I don't have far to go because of that narrow hole. All right, let me get a punch fit right here, and I'm just gonna let the video play for now, guys. Let me grab my bit, and y'all can figure out pretty much what I'm doing. So grab the drill and go at it. All right, let's get it.